So part B and part C asking for half, right? Just so you know, all of the long question, part A, B, C, D, we're not here to give you a hard time. We're here to help you. Part A, you just identify which elements is oxidized, which elements is reduced. Usually, the part B and C is a follow-up on part A. Okay, so here, let's start with sulfur. You know sulfur changed from 0 to positive 6, right? So on both sides, so you know on the other side. Okay, just by the question itself, that's what's related, right, with sulfur. We'll just do sulfur first. If you still remember, on reader, page 41, there's a flow chart that you should follow. And what's the first step is non-oxygen hydrogen inspection. In this case, it's sulfur. I'll show you here. This is, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4 for each of the part B and part C. So now it's non-oxygen hydrogen inspection. In this case, it's sulfur. You inspect the element that is not oxygen or not hydrogen. In this case, it's sulfur. Okay, so I'll show you why we're doing this. This case, one sulfur on each side, which is sulfur itself is happy. Some of the case, you will see something like H2S2O3. Then you need to put a 2 in front of the S. Some of the cases you see the non-oxygen, non-hydrogen elements itself is not balanced. You need to balance that one first. Okay, that's always the number one step. So in this case, we don't need to do anything because it's balanced. Okay, step 2. Step 2 said balance the oxygen, use water. Okay, I'll show you. Step 2 said balance the oxygen, use water. Okay, I have 4 oxygen. So I need 4 water. Okay, I need 4 water. Why there is a 4? Because there are 4 oxygen. I did not put any states on that just to save the time. But you know water should be liquid, right? This is aqueous. Sulfur is solid. Okay? Okay. All right, what's the number 3? I'm a reader. Balance hydrogen with hydrogen plus, right? Okay, so what we're doing, by the way, we'll just put number 1 in the front. So make you feel like that's being done, okay? So I have 4 water, so 4 times 2, that's 8. I only have 1, that's 2. So by number of hydrogen, I need 6 more, right? I need 6 more hydrogen on this side, right? And that's also aqueous, just so you know. Okay, what's step number 4?
The electrons.
To balance what?
The charge.
Okay, which side need electrons?
The sulfur, the first side.
Oh, you think this side need?
Oh, wait, no, it's the right.
Yeah,
Yes.
because on this side the total charge is 0. Yeah. On this side the total charge is 6 times positive 1, and that's not right. So we need 6 more electrons. So we need to make this positive 1 disappear. All right, so that's the balanced half reaction. Do the same thing for nitrogen. I can do on the board, but if you want to do it on your own,